Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasss Patel and today we are going to integrate Google Translate to our HTML website so that each and every customer or each and every client can translate their website into their native language. So first what I'm gonna do is this is my simplest HTML form or HTML page, and here is the output of the HTML page. Okay, now what if some Arabic person or an Arabic guy, or let's say some German guy can visit our website and he doesn't understand English or any other language. Now if he want to access this website to the his own native language, for example for Arabic, for Germany, so for that we will use the Google API, I mean Google Translate API, to convert this our entire website into any language with just one click. Okay, now so for that what you are gonna do is that you will visit my Git repository. Okay, and I will pin down this link into my description area. So first what you are gonna do is that copy this widget from here and put it wherever you want. I want this uh, not in the title but before the this. Okay, now I want after my name. Okay, so here you can see there is some area. So what else we can do is that copy both script tags from here and paste it in our HTML page. Save, and let's see. Yeah, here you can see our website is translated into Arabic. Now what if I want to translate my website into German? Yeah, there you go. Now what if I want in Hindi or in Gujarati, as I am Gujarati and from India? Yeah, here you can see we can translate our website to any page with this feature. So it is best feature for your website to add. And yeah, that's all from me. So if you like this video, then like the video, and I will come with I will come with another feature in next video. Till then, uh, slay the HTML or slay your website with me, and see you next video. Right, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.